Yo, why is he on my side of the road? Look, I don't even have a clue what he's doing. The road's clearly clear. Look, what's the ETA? 20 minutes, make it 30. Let's see, right, in reverse. He's just showing off, mate. Birds are gonna love me now that I'm reversing the tractor on the mains. Anyway, what are you saying though, boys? We're in the no one requested Astra 1.7 diesel. We'll see in it. We'll see what she's capable of. My B roads are still a bit down there, bro, so you might as well get the tunes running. Need to go in there. Can't complain, innit, really, for 500 quid. 5 bills and you get a quick little transportation for around the UK. Okay, we've got to stop now, innit, because that's the copyright limit. Save for that, bro. Thank you. Was it worth the effort? Yeah, it's kind of a bit inconvenient, innit, really. She is long in the recording though, but you know what I mean? I have only got one battery. Third, we can actually do 50, innit? Like, I'm not even trying to be like that guy, but we're allowed to do 50, so why are we doing 39? Why is she braking for? Oh, because there's a 30, so you're begging it. She's actually begging it, so no one's gonna think you're better than what you were before. No one's gonna like gain respect for you. And furthermore, no one's playing in the road if you're gonna try to go down that route. Just a beg. As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at RizzyElbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. Yo, it's causing stressing, bro. It's not doing the nicotine. Or let off the Astra, see what it does. It's quick, you know. Yeah, it's already nearly at 60. She moves, cars. Yeah, this is nice. It's comfortable as well. Effortless drivers, they call it. Good little daily. For 500 quid as well, boys. Can you complain? This for 500 quid.
I thought you crashed, bro.
That's a weird spot to cheat in, isn't it? Half back end sticking out. You're gonna die, bro. Then you go straight to hell, innit? Because you're mid-G. That's long. What do you mean?
It gets hard to put in.
Minor, because I always rack it in. What do you mean it gets hard to put in?
You gotta push it in, bro.
I'm already pushing it. I'm putting a bit of a workout now. Like, it ain't the smoothest gear stick. You need to lube it up or something. Look at that, man. That's the downside of having a dog. You gotta pick its poo.
I got a dog as well, bro.
You got a dog?
Yeah.
So what, when you go out, you gotta get the bag out and...
Yeah.
Is it worth it? Is it worth having to become a toilet? Just go, man. It's clear. I wasn't saying thank you. I still need to go, but fine. So what, you gotta get like proper... I can never imagine picking up dog poo, you know?
I've not done it in so long.
What breed is yours then?
Okay, cool.
Ain't that guy in Beta Squad?
What?
What's the dog's name?
King Corso, what? No.
Yeah, he's in Beta Squad. You've heard of them? They do YouTube videos and that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got a King
Corso.
Yeah, King Corsa. So that's what he named after.
Do you know what King Corso is?
Yes, bro, that's the YouTube channel.
King Corso. Is it?
Yeah, he's obviously named himself after that. King Corsa.
King Corso.
Kane?
Yeah, King Corso.
I thought you said King. Go on then, let's see what your dog's saying. Oh, that's coming like one of them security dogs. Yeah, that's wham. Imagine picking up that guy's dumps. That guy must leave some serious logs in it. Oh, it runs out of puffs at the end, doesn't it? It's a bit of an asthmatic. I think this might already have a remount. Or is it, you know what it is, cause I just ain't been in the diesel in a while. Forgot about the diesel talk. I do love a diesel, honestly. I prefer them to petrols if they're smaller cars. Diesels are faster, innit?
Yeah.
Obviously, if there's a performance car, then that's a different story. Yo, where's the gears gone, mate? Couldn't even find them.
This one's gear free. Gear free. Yeah, gear free.
Gear free? Why? What's wrong with gear free?
I don't know.
Is it me being stupid or actually don't go in?
No, it's hard to get. You have to like force it in. Sometimes.
Is it? What if it starts a case on me because I kept forcing it in, bro?
No, that's right.
Because it sounds like it's not your first rodeo with forcing it in. I know what you mean. Gear free's a mission. it's a two-way road. Never been beeped on there ever. I've never seen a BMW beep at something like that, you know. Usually it's like, you know, BYD and all these electric like. I've never seen a 1 Series do it. But fair enough, you learn something new every day. It's just jealousy, that's what it is. He ain't whipping an Astra like us. Yo, why is he on my side of the road? Yo, what is going on? Is 1 Series hop back on PIP? They're back on disability scheme. Spider-Man's struggling, mate. He's not meant to be putting up his own web. He looks like he killed himself, bro. He's hanged himself. Spider-Man can't be arsed. What happened to saving our planet Earth? He chipped. You might as well go as well. That's Kia Rio, that's nasty. Yeah, proper motor that. This sounds so sick, bro. The Astra's alright, honestly. We gotta do 30 here, bro. Do you mind? Yeah. Well, you gotta dispose of his body soon, man. Look how tragic that is. He's hanged himself, boys. Just be easy on them hills, innit, when you can't see what's around the corner. Because guys like to chill in the middle for some reason. I don't know why. Right now, common sense is not common, just in general. You know when I go Asda, yeah? The toilet is on a corner, yeah? The toilet's there's a corner, and then there's the shop, right? So why are guys coming round the corner? These are men, they're not even like women or children. These are fully grown men. 40-year-old white British men that have lived in this country, I presume, their whole life. So why are they coming round a blind corner and then they see me and they're so surprised, like, whoa, and why are you so surprised to see someone round the corner? Why does it not cross your mind that someone else might be in Asda walking round the corner? I walk on the left, these guys come out like it's a junction, bro. No, I'm being serious as well. The guys are so stupid. Then there's the U-turn, like you be shopping, you be chilling, walking straight like a normal bloke. Why are guys just then suddenly stomping on the brakes, hitting a U-turn? And just because you forgot something, don't mean you have to forget every single life skill you learned ever. Guys, oh, I forgot the pasta, causes a 5-man pile-up. I swear to God, I can't even shop in the daytime. You know, I went yesterday, Sunday. I went to the shops Sunday morning, yeah? My mistake, innit? I should have known. Because I met the Sunday crowd. The Sunday crowd is the general public. They're retarded, bro. Oh my God. I know you're not to do 10 miles an hour in the car park. You don't have to do 10 miles an hour on the 30 roads. That's what all they were doing. So 10 miles an hour to Asda, got crashed into on the way out the toilet. I stood still, bearing in mind I could see him coming, still crashed into me. I even made a noise, like, yo, I'm here, crashed into me. Got some dirty looks, don't know why. Like some kid jumped into the road. That's the kid's fault, isn't it? Lucky I was doing 10 miles an hour anyway. I was doing below the speed limit. So my car stopped with room to spare. Guess what the mum did? Dirty look. I'm pissed off. What did you want me to do? Hit the kid? What did you want me to do? The public right now are so finished. I need to let my stress out on someone, in it, so it had to be you, bro. But I'm being serious. Don't go shopping on a Saturday or a Sunday. Oh my God. I kind of fell for this rule like a couple of years ago, innit, when I noticed that the general public's a little bit retarded. But then yesterday I slipped up in it and needed some stuff. I thought, oh, whatever, it can't be that bad. It's deep, bro, it's dark. I'm not even saying it from an arrogant place. I'm sure I've done the odd mistake, but I just can't help but notice that people just don't have common sense. And I always seem to be the most aware in the room, and I'm not even an intelligent person, innit. They were moving like it's Christmas, end of like December, innit, where everyone is in the shops rushing, and bro, it's just one day. How have you guys lost the plot? Start moving like schizophrenics in Asda, bro. Shut up, like this is real life zombies. We deserve all the control and all the fines that come our way. We deserve it. Until we do something and get together, we're gonna keep being imprisoned. We do not deserve happiness. The way we be moving in Asda's just like a metaphor, innit? That's how they be moving outside as well, even on the road. You had a guy, even today, someone beeped at me for being on my side. Some of the shit I have to put up with. Sorry about that. I feel like I've just shouted at you. It's not your fault. Yo, gear's gone. Is it gone? Yeah. What should I do? Just keep it in foot? Yeah. See, this is a proper Karen village, this. Honestly, this is a proper Karen village. Look, this is the type of person to get angry at me for driving silly. Just pulled into the road, no indicator, nothing, didn't even check the mirror, so that's driving without due care and attention. Now driving 10 on a 30 road. No, that's the thing. These are the type to get pissed off at me in Asda. These are the type to be like, oh, you don't indicate, oh, you're driving too fast. Drive 90 through here, they're angry. Drive 10 through here, they're also angry, because then they're waiting at the junction and they just start doing the huffing and puffing in their cars, flapping about. They don't really know nothing about it. All of these are verbalists. Look, I don't even have a clue what he's doing. The road's clearly clear. Look, what's the ETA? 20 minutes, make it 30. Now, who are we trying to impress? Would you believe I needed to go up there as well?
I swear.
Yeah, but I just don't want to. I just actually don't want to, innit? We'll have our own fun over here. We'll show you these fucking muppets. We don't need them.
It's good on there.
It's alright. Get back in kicking on the Astra. Instant power as well, you hear it? It kicks in.
That's good, isn't
I like it, honestly. He must have taken care of it then. You know, if you buy these cars from old people, they're always looked after. They probably bought them brand new, innit?
Yeah, that's right.
You know, these old school with like one previous owner, cars moving like this. It's very good though on B roads. It's just not hooking perfectly fine. Put it on for £1,000. If you get no interest, then just whack the price down, innit? No, after you, darling. No problem, sexy. Look at her. Pushing 90, bro. She's still at it in her Corsa. This is another little Karen village, this. These guys, yeah, their speciality, they get angry at you for giving way. Look, you won't say thank you, look. See what I mean? I don't know why everyone's so unpolite for no reason. Look, we're already doing 20 miles an hour. He's been doing 10 the whole road. Look, he's turning off. There's more than enough room. Look, everyone else is fitting through perfectly fine. Why is everyone there spazzing? Why? Why does it stop? As soon as you leave, why does everyone become normal again? I don't get it. It's like you're actually crossing a border. Yo, I love for coming down there, you know, honestly. It helps me a lot. She's pissed off. Why is she pissed off? I don't understand. I actually don't get it. Yo, these guys nearly crashed as well. Parcel Force weren't feeling it. You know why? He's sick of this village. Because he delivers a not so day in it, so he's used to normal drivers. He comes there, he just thinks, what the f? Then he just starts cutting people off.
I've got dead attention span, yeah. Yo, I always manage to like watch all your videos, innit?
You know what ruined my attention span? Which I feel like a lot of people don't talk about. I used to have Spotify Premium. I don't have it no more because of this, what I'm about to tell you. I'd play the song, I'd just want to get to the chorus, skip it, hear the chorus, skip the song. And then one day I'm listening to the radio, this is where I discovered it, and all I'm doing with my CarPlay was I just kept skipping and I couldn't because it was a radio, innit? That's when I realised, nah, this is how I got my brain rot, bro, through Spotify Premium. That's why I deleted it. I'm slowly getting better now, innit, over time. She made me so impatient. Guy behind us is pissed off. Don't know, I don't fucking know. You can just f*** off. Rain's starting to fall on us now, bro. What was that? Why did I hear a clunk from under the car, G? Roller coaster ride. There you go, boys. There's the Astra done. You know what? I do get some complaints, you know, saying I don't outro my videos. I just turn the camera off. So we need to do an outro. Go on, bro. I'll put you on the spot. Go on. Let them all know we're off.
We're off in it. Like and subscribe.
We're off in it.
We're finishing the video. The Astra 2011 1.7. 500 quid as well.
Oh, begging it now, bro. Like, they know we're off in it.